Good day, viewers. Today I'm going to talk to my friends and family about the benefits of the yam leaves. You know, a lot of people farm this yam leaves in their villages and towns, but they don't know the real thing about the yam. They think yam is just something that, well, guess what? Use the tubers to what? Cook fufu, prepare gari for students to be eaten at the senior high schools dams. If you're a new person here, I want you to subscribe to Comb Herbal TV. Today I'm going to talk about the yam leaves. This is the yam leaves. It's a stretching plant. I get in it. Yeah, man. Yam leaves in the north here, you know, in the northern part of Africa, it's used in so many things. I get it. This is how the structure look like. Yam leaves, there are so many things that a lot of people don't know about, that if I begin to reveal to you this, you will not joke with the yam leaf anymore. You will kiss me and you will love me. Because of the what? The discovering secret that I'm about to reveal. It is there, but it's not been discovered by a lot of people in the world. A lot of people farm this yam leaves whilst having stroke, while having what? Heart problems, having what? Prostate cancer in their villages, running down to the cities and to the foreign countries for treatment. Even some going to the dialysis for treatment, of which all the ingredients is in their area. This yam leaves, there are so many ones that I'm going to share to you, my friends and family all over the world. And you know the benefit of the yam leaves. I farm a lot of yam. I have over 12,000 yam acres of yam that we do it and send to Agbogboloshi dams in Accra dams and Nigeria and Burkina Faso. So this yam leaves, I'm going to show you the benefit of the yam leaves. Yam. You know, those of you in the UK, United Kingdom, Britain, you always go to the markets and the African markets, you see yam. You use it to prepare your fufu, you prepare it, you appreciate them and cooking, eating. But if you know the benefit of the leaves of the yam, you will stop eating the tubers and start looking and searching for the green herbs of the what? The yam leaves. Green herbs. More fire upon our enemies, yeah, man. So, yam leaf, there are so many things. First of all, if you are there and you find out that you have heart problem, had high BP, heart disorders, and want divine good health, get at least 7 of the leaves of the what? The yam leaves. The 7 of them. Put it in a boiling pot and boil them to tea. And be drinking this tea, I'm telling you, for 14 to 21 days. Tea of the what? The yam leaves. Every heart problem, every kidney problem, every liver problem is going to be healed right again. And you will know and call me, or you WhatsApp me and regard me and tell me that this is real. It is not a joke. This is Comb Herbal TV. Greetings to all my friends and well-wishers. I still prepare more things to send to my friends and family all over the world. So yam leaf, one thing that it does is that I know a lot of people have leukemia, have cancer. Yam leaf will kill and annihilate all cancer in your bloodline. And what will you do? You get the yam leaves. You're going to pound them into powder. A whole wool upon of them like this. Plenty of them like this. I have a yam farm. Over 12,000 acres of them. I load them, food articulator them more times. My father is a great farmer of the yam leaves. You understand? So, greetings to Caroline, Susan Dance, all friends and family. So you get the yam leaves. You have cancer, you have prostate cancer, you are sitting or being in the dialysis, they are always cleansing your blood. Get as much of the leaves of the what? The yam, pound them together into powder, dry them in the room temperature and using this, but take inside your tea and porridge. I'm telling you, those having prostate cancer, prostate that they've infused rubber in their manhoods, all will be cured at once. If you have heart problem, you have high BP, you start boiling the leaves of the yam, bayere, nyule, busa. In Musi language, we say busa. Busvara. That's yam leaves. When you start boiling them, drinking, you will never be sick again. Every prostate cancer in you will be healed. Every liver problems in you will be healed. Every high BP in you will be healed. Every leukemia will be healed. You will not be taking all those drugs, chemicals, them. This one will heal you from all cancer, from all leukemia, them, and from all our liver and heart problems. This is Comb Herbal TV. You just get the yam leaves. Me getting it, you getting it, ladies and gentlemen. Then I get the whole wool upon them. You can cook these leaves, cook them, like 7 or 9 of them, the leaves. I'm telling you, one leaf of this alone is greater than a whole wool upon cabbage. One leaf of this alone is a whole powerful than 1 kilogram or 10 kilograms of carrot. It has so many vitamins, minerals, vitamin C dams, vitamin D dams. If you are taking this one, you're not going and be buying vitamins again. That's the yam leaves. All sicknesses in you will be healed. The only thing is you get the leaves. I have a lot of powder of them. And so many people travel from the villages coming to me saying that they have waist pain, they have these cardiovascular diseases, they have this cholesterol in their blood, they have this high BP. And I always ask them, do you sow or harvest yam in your villages? Do you sow yams in your villages? They say yes. And I say, for lack of knowledge, my people, them no. Search for the yam leaves. Go back to your village, look for the leaves of the yam, cook them, and be drinking, I'm telling you, for 21 good days. But after that, you have to stop eating meat for 21 days then. Then cook them and be eating, drinking the juice of the yam. Yam. Search yam in the Google. Y-A-W. The leaves to heal you of all prostate cancer, leukemia, to kill you of all those things, to heal you of all what? Liver disorders, kidney problems, and you will WhatsApp me and congratulate and thank God for that. This is Comb Herbal TV, being guided by the angels. They reveal a whole lot of secrets. This yam leaf, when pounded into powder and drinking it every day for at least 21 days going, you will never have strange sicknesses in your bloodline again. No sicknesses of fever, no sicknesses of liver problems, no sicknesses of what? Heart problems. Every asthma, every diabetes, every, what do you call it? The name is what? Diabetes. Every eye problem, every waist pain will vanish and disappear into the what? Hell. This yam leaves alone contains so much vitamins and minerals that if you boil it and you're drinking the green juice, you become the most healthiest power man. You hold your woman them, she will know you are a real man. Because too much vitamins them upon it. I'm praying and praying and praying that people hearken to this. And as we are praying to get good wives, you will what? Use this and you will always be happy with your wife. We are going to marry and marry one day. And enjoy each other forever. So get these ones and be cooking them, drinking. And you will have the note of victory. No more kidney problem, no more prostate problem, no more high BP. If you have a low BP, drink this to get normal BP. I get in it. So I drink. A lot of people don't know the benefit of the yam, especially the leaves. These leaves alone damages all arthritis, damages all cardiovascular diseases, that's heart problems, lipids, that's cholesterol in your bloodline. If you just get the leaves as much as you can, boil it and be drinking as tea every day, you will never encounter any strange sickness in your life again. And people will see you glooming and becoming fatter and bigger and normal long life, and do not understand that's the benefit of leaf of the yam. The yam leaf will cure you of every leukemia, every prostate cancer. It's very powerful, you see. See, I'm chewing it. It's very powerful. I don't joke with it. If you are taking it as tea and eating it, the yam leaves, every leukemia problem, every prostate cancer, every what, diabetes, every cholesterol will be wiped out from the body. That's the benefit of the yam leaves. It's a stretching plant. One day I'm going to teach you about the uses of it, how to become rich. Yeah, man, to become rich and prosperous. You see, I'm eating it. That's the yam leaves. Yeah, man. It heals you from every heart problems. It gives you retentive memory. If you want retentive memory, you are a student, you are at the university, you are at this place, college, you want to be intelligent. Get these plenty yam leaves, cook them or pound them into powder, mix it with honey, and be eating, taking it as I'm eating it this way. You get a lot of retentive memory. You become very intelligent and wise. Just get these leaves, cook them, add honey, and be drinking. You become super intelligent. That's one advantages of the yam leaves. I get it. This is Comb Herbal TV. Subscribe and share and press the like button. It's on your have any wound, swollen wound, a boil in your body, a boil, or any wound, a knife cut, grind these leaves or the yam, paste it on the boil, or add lime to it on the boil to vanish. If you have a cut on you by a metal, grind the leaves, paste it, and put it on the wound of where the metal cut it. All the wound will be healed within some hours. It will heal you of any prostate problem. So a lot of people are saying this medicine is for prostate tea. Prostate tea, the benefit is the yam. That's the secret, is the yam. Boil the leaves and be drinking the yam leaves. All prostate cancer will be wiped out completely. You not wear the rubber again. You become a man, your manhood will be strong. You a woman having white candidiasis. Be cooking this one, drinking. All candidiasis, white will vanish. I get in it. You are having headache, stomach pains. Boil this one, drink it with honey. All stomach pains, eye problems vanish. I see that I'm revealing to you deep secrets. This one alone, I see that I've chewed it. See, I finished chewing it. Very good. And to what? Give me so much vitamins and power that you will love me forever. Undieable and killable. So, you will what? I just want to know about the benefit of the yam. It's very good. I use it for a lot of people, but I don't know that's yam leaves. Someone can come that juju has getting him, someone juju him. Just grind this one, add it with palm kernel oil and rub the place that is affected by the juju. All the juju spell on you will break. If you have curses are on you. Get the yam leaves, boil, pound them to powder, into mortar, paste, add salt to it, add red palm oil, and mix it inside your what? Water, and the bathroom with red palm oil. All curses on you is broken. You see the benefit of it. If you have your shop, you want you to prosper, get the long ones like this. I get in it. Pound it together, mix with frankincense alone, and mix inside water solution. Sprinkle it in front of your shop. Crowd pull up with that. People start coming to your store. Get the long part of it. Pound it with frankincense. And sprinkle the water juice of it, mix with the frankincense in front of your store, your house. If you don't have, you want people to, you have a house, people are not renting, you want people to rent, do that. Pound these leaves, add it to frankincense or small honey, sprinkle it in your house and the rooms. All demons will run away. Good luck alone will come. People will start renting the house. You see that I'm showing you a lot of the secrets of the yam leaves. If one favor, get the yam leaves, like this one, the yam leaves. Pound them with white cola 3. If you're a woman, 4 white cola. Mix with the 7 leaves or the what? If you're a woman, 7 leaves, pound with white cola. Mix with any soap of your choice and bathing. You have breakthrough for your finances. The husband of your choice will start getting them. This is comb herbal tea. If you're a man, you get 9 leaves of the what? The yam leaves. Get 3 white cola, pound them together. Mix inside your soap and bathroom. Good luck, prosperity. If you don't have a wife, you start getting wives. If I say wives, a lot of people are confused. I don't mean man married plenty wives. I get in it. It does so many things. It kills all what? Infections in the body. Virus infections in all the private parts. If you are drinking the juice of the what? You can blend it, extract the juice and be drinking all and add ginger. Every infection in your private part will be wiped out completely. And you have good smell and joy and favor. Yam leaf is so amazing that if I tell you the benefit you have, we those in the northern part of Africa use them for so many things. That's where it is what? Planted, sown, and harvested. It's also used for wealth, money. That one I'll show you in the part 2. This is Comb Herbal TV. Subscribe and share. Long life, good health upon us up to old age.